Wonderful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage on an acre in Whitehouse ISD. Fabulous front porch welcomes you in. This home features an open floor plan and family room with stone fireplace. Gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, white painted cabinets, pantry, and breakfast room. Light and bright with new gray tones and updates galore. Generous master suite is split and includes a nice reading area. Spacious master bath includes double sinks, garden tub with separate shower, and huge walk-in closet. 2 guest rooms provide ample space for family or guests. The 4th bedroom could also be used as an office, second living space, playroom, etc. Small computer area and extra storage pantry as well. Covered patio, fenced backyard, and large circle drive are just an added bonus. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.